Capricorn, welcome to your October 2021 reading. We'll start off with an overarching message for you guys, and then we'll move on to the tarot. Let's see what the month has in stock for you. So let's get an angel card. If you believe and don't stop. If you believe and don't stop. So this is your overarching message for the month. Now let's get your tarot reading done. I hope you had a wonderful September, Capricorn, and that you've had a wonderful year as well. So getting into the tarot. So there will be three cards. One is your recent past, second is your current, and third will be what's coming towards you. So let's see what was there in your recent past energies, Capricorn. All right, in your recent past, the Page of Cups. This is your recent past energy. What's in your current? The Seven of Swords and the Two of Swords. The Seven of Swords and the Two of Swords. And what is coming towards you, Capricorn? The King of Pentacles. This is coming towards you. All right, so I think in the recent past you had the end of the deck is the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, so in your recent past you have the Page of Cups, which means that you had a new beginning with respect to the affairs of the heart, or it was something very pleasant that came along. Okay, but you were pretty undecided about this, or someone else was, it was a little bit of hide and seek kind of a thing, and someone could have left things as they are because they couldn't decide on the actual what they wanted, and there was a lot of thoughts going back and forth about this situation. Now what's coming towards you is a very stable energy, as in a boss or a new job or something that is quite monetarily benefiting you. Let's get clarifiers, however. Let's see what the Page of Cups here means. Let's see what the Page of Cups here means for you in the recent past energies. So this could have been a very start of a new kind of a relationship. The Seven of Swords and the Seven of Wands, explained by the Seven of Swords and the Seven of Wands. So somebody was resisting this immensely. As I said, in the current energy you have an energy of somebody not accepting the situation fully. Okay, there was a lot of resistance to this and what somebody believes in, even in spite of the fact that they are highly attracted towards someone. Now let's see why the Seven of Swords is here. The Seven of Swords has come twice in the situation, so we'll see why the Seven of Swords is here. Who is hiding? Who is reluctant to accept the situation as is? Okay, let's see why the Seven of Swords is here. The Chariot and the Nine of Cups. So somebody is moving away, or somebody is trying to be very practical. It's most probably that's you. And even if they feel that this is some sort of a wish fulfillment, and they are they are moving ahead. They are moving ahead with their wish fulfillment, but without telling anybody. They're guarded and they want to kind of have balance in the situation. So they're going about it in a very, very subtle manner without anybody noticing. Let's get one more card here. The Page of Pentacles in the reverse. So somebody is refusing to see the, the rewards or the benefits, and somebody is not learning a past lesson probably, and they are highly guarded. Let's see why the Two of Swords is here. The Two of Swords. The Two of Swords explained by the Five of Wands and the Six of Wands. So somebody wants to win, somebody wants victory in the situation. Somebody wants to win over the competition. Somebody wants to make a decision about choices. but they are not being very clear here. They are hiding their emotions, and they're taking a step back to find out what would fit them. All right, so let's see why the King of Pentacles is here. That's what's coming towards you. The King of Pentacles explained by the Three of Pentacles, the Empress, and the Page of Wands. So this is an extremely beneficial new beginning. Somebody is going to get a new job, and it's an exciting new project, and somebody is going to go ahead and become a very self-reliant, in a very nurturing, self-reliant kind of an energy. This is very encouraging. So obviously something that came towards you, and which you had kept aside for a bit, now you're going to accept it, and you're going to kind of go towards this. Probably it was an offer that you felt was overwhelming, and you wanted to put a stop to it temporarily, but the angels say that if you believe, you have to do it. If you believe, and don't stop. So I feel you have to go ahead about what is it that you have in mind. This will definitely lead you to a higher path, or a higher abundance kind of a thing. So don't stop. All right, Capricorn, this is a micro reading kind of thing, and I hope this resonates with you. Do let me know in the comments if this resonates. Okay, and there's going to be celebration coming your way. I'm very happy for you. Whatever it is that you are doubting, it's going to be very successful. Okay, thanks a lot for watching, Capricorn. This is your October micro reading kind of thing. I'm sorry if it lasted only a few minutes, but that's the message for you. Thanks a lot again for watching. God bless you. Bye bye. I'll see you around.